Team, just in time for game day, I'm gonna show you how to make some smoked queso dip. That's right, on a gas grill. We're using our Eminence 605 by Monument Grills. And not only are we gonna make some smoked queso on a gas grill, we're gonna throw some grilled carne asada on top of that smoked queso dip that we're doing in the gas grill. We got all sorts of football games coming up, and I want you to be prepared with this awesome queso dip. Guys, the ingredients and prep will be down in the video caption. The carne asada we're using today is straight from our grocery store butcher counter. So whatever marinated flat meat you guys can find, use it for this recipe. The first thing we gotta do is prep our queso dip. I got a nice ceramic dish that I use for all my outdoor cooking. This isn't one of Mrs. CJ's dishes, all right? Make sure you're okay to use the dish before you duplicate this recipe. Otherwise, you can use just one of those throwaway aluminum trays, okay? We're throwing a little block of that American cheese product in that dish first. Then we're gonna go on some cubed pepper jack. We got some cubed smoked gouda. And you know every smoked queso dip needs to have some of that rotel in there. And I'm taking it up another notch with some fire roasted corn going in. We're gonna throw in a half a beer, give or take, save some for the chef, right? And I'm gonna dust it over with some of my West Coast shake. You can use any kind of all-purpose Mexican seasoning that you can find, but you know, I'm partial to my own seasoning, you know what I'm saying? For the smoke that we're gonna put on this bad boy, Monument Grills has a smoker box. I'm gonna throw some pecan shell pellets in there, and then we're gonna turn on that back sear plate and get that burning pretty quickly. The heat from that back sear plate is gonna fire up those pellets pretty quickly, and we'll get a nice bit of smoke running in there. I'll go ahead and throw the queso kind of right in front of it, so we get that good smoke flavor. While we're giving that queso a smoke bath, we're gonna go ahead and fire up the side sear station here and get that carne asada cooked through. Get a nice char on there. It's gonna be great going over the top of that queso. Dip that big old chip in there. Oh, guys, it's gonna be amazing. You're definitely gonna wanna make this for your game day party. Okay, let's get the Eminence fired up, get some smoke rolling. All right, team, our cheese has been going for a while now. Time to give it a mix. Go ahead and turn it around a little bit. This is why we don't use our wives' good baking dishes. Get your own little outside baking dish. You see that smoke still coming out of that smoker box back there? All right, we'll give this a little bit more time. Should be one more stir and we'll be good to go. All right, time to give this another mix. It's coming together real nice, boys and girls. Almost ready to give it that carne asada and a big old bag of chips. Get your carne asada on. Get a little cilantro too. Then get yourself a big old scoop. Guys, we're back in the house. Got a little chip, a little of that queso, a little carne asada. You're gonna be the envy of game day parties when you make this. Again, ingredients and prep are down below in the caption. I mean, what's to say, baby? It's good. Guys, too dang good. You're gonna love it. Comment down below. Tell me how much you're gonna love it. Like I said before, if you wanna get one of these Monument Grills Eminence 605s, the link's down below. It's not an affiliate link, but I want you guys to check out. This is one of the best gas grills out on the market. You're gonna love it. But that's it for this one. Listen, I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.